What was the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother?
Correct answer, A. Amina bint Wahab. What was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam titled before prophethood? Correct answer, C. Al-Amin. At what age did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive the first revelation? Correct answer, guarantee C. 40 years. Where did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive his first revelation? Correct answer, A. Cave Hira. Which angel delivered the first revelation to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Correct answer, A. Angel Jibreel. What were the first words of revelation? Correct answer, B. Read in the name of your Lord.